Hello and welcome to the Utah Sports Action overview of volleyball data entry on the system. This video will just sort of quickly go over the details of entering volleyball teams as well as volleyball games into the Utah Sports Action website. If you've not yet watched the training videos on the football data entry, you might want to take a look at those. This will just be a high-level overview since the actual data entry is nearly identical to that of the football teams. I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video, so I would recommend you watch the football videos before watching this video. The first thing we'll want to do before we do anything here is log into the site using the data entry account that we have. So we'll go ahead and provide those credentials and log in. Over here on the left, we'll have the data entry menu. We can go ahead and click Create Content, and that'll show us a list of the content types we have. Since we're interested in volleyball here, we can come down and we'll just take a quick look at the volleyball team creation form. This is almost identical. In fact, it is identical to the football team creation form. We have the name of the volleyball team, which will be the same as the name of the school. We have the school field here, which allows us to link this volleyball team to the school for which it belongs. That auto-complete, so if we start typing the name of a school here, the schools that match that will show up. We just need to click on the one we're looking for, and that'll fill in the data we need. The school year, again, is automatically filled in. All we have to do is come down and hit save. The logo, head coach, and coach's comments can be ignored. So that is identical to the football team creation. For the volleyball game, this is also pretty similar to the football game creation method. Again, we use the tribpreps.com for the data. So let's come in and we'll pick a school and we'll take a look at some of the data they have on their volleyball team. So this Alta Hawks is what we're looking at. We'll come down all the way down to the volleyball schedule. This shows the games. Again, just like with the football, we would want to come in, select the first couple columns of the row, copy it, come over to the blank volleyball game form, paste it. We just need to massage the data here again, identical to the football team creation or football game creation. Again, the visiting team and the home team will automatically fill in, just like with football. If you do type in, or you start typing the name of one of the teams and they don't show up like it's happening here, that means that this school, Pleasant Grove, doesn't have a volleyball team created for it. What you need to do in that case is actually come over to the volleyball team form and add the volleyball team for Pleasant Grove High School before you're able to finish filling in this the data for this volleyball game. So once you do that and you have that team in there, you can finish filling in the data. So in this case, this is a game that has not yet been completed, so we can ignore the attendance, we can ignore the score, and we can just come down and hit save. Now if we are looking at a game that has already been completed, like this one here, we can click on the names just like we do on the football schedule, and that will eventually pull up the details on this particular volleyball game. The TribPrep site can often be a little slow, so sometimes this is just a test of your patience. So here we have the details of this game. If we come back and look at the Utah Sports Action field, the game can go into up to 5 sets. So we have fields here for sets for each of the away team and the home team. In this case, this game only went into 4 sets, so we would fill in the values we have: 12, 21, 27, 20. we would leave set 5 blank since this game did not go into set 5. The away team sets 1 is very similar to the football field for the final score. Since we do know the scores of the sets, we can leave this blank. In fact, we should leave this blank and have the system automatically compute the final winnings. Next we'll come down to the home team. They had 25, 25, 25, 25. We'll just fill those in here. Again, set 5 is empty because this game did not go into the 5th set. So we can leave that blank, just hit save, and that will automatically populate the score and everything you need for this particular game. So that completes the quick high-level overview of how to create a volleyball team and how to enter data for the volleyball games into the Utah Sports Action website.